कोकण रेल्वे पोलीस निरीक्षक सुनील गुडलर आणि कॉन्स्टेबल मोहम्मद हुसेनाक 25,000ची लाच घेतना धरले. दोगांकूय अटक जाल्या.
So we received a complaint on the 21st, a written complaint, that there was a demand for 2 lakh rupees and monthly 25,000 rupees to be paid to PI Konkan Railway. The information was conveyed through another Konkan Railway Police called Hussain. So accordingly, we registered the complaint by going through the transcripts recorded by the complainant, which had the ingredients of an FIR, and thereafter we laid a trap and caught both the people red-handed with an advance amount received by them for 25,000 rupees. So accordingly, they have been placed under arrest.
But the role of PI Gudlar is very much clear.
Yes. Because at the time of receipt of money, PI Gudlar's voice and his conversation was also recorded.
मुख्यमंत्री म्हणटा घरा धाडटा असले खपोवन घेवचे ना.
जो गिल्टी करता पळय न्ही तो अशा पद्दतीन धरलो वयतलो.
पण सर ह्याच्या पयलीं सुद्धा तो इथून सापडला फ्रेंड झाला.
आता काय आमकां
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.